to make sure educators and educational leaders.
This is the only school in the Cartwright School District that ever received a National Blue Ribbon Award. I can't even tell you with the words, they're not enough, how proud and excited I am for the Cartwright community. We've always known that our scholars are the smartest, the kindest, the most beautiful community of children that you could ever hope to serve. And now having the recognition as a National Blue Ribbon School, for what I understand, this is the first for the Cartwright School District. I could not be more proud. And it's because of being able to provide the highest quality of education for every child who walks into our doors. And this school, Atkinson Gifted Academy, has just been such a shining star, and they've worked so hard, and they continue to work so hard, and we're so very, very proud of them. And again, they represent the entire Cartwright School District.
This is a huge accomplishment for us as a school and for my student body and my staff. Right before the announcement came that we were even nominated, I was kind of joking with my assistant principal that our next stop after getting an A from the state of Arizona letter grade is I wanted to go for a National Blue Ribbon, not knowing we were about to be nominated for Blue Ribbon. So from the nomination all the way till now, it has been such a humbling honor, and I'm so proud of all of the work that our students do.
So this is something you can always be so proud of forever.
I think it was really cool that we were one of the many schools that got picked, but this school in particular caught my eye when I was looking for middle school because of how hard this school worked to get built up to be where it is today.